Picture this. You're trying to prep meals, but your kitchen looks like a culinary crime scene. Mismatched lids and spilled quinoa everywhere. Who knew meal prep could double as a comedy show? Welcome to Healthy Bites. And today, I'm going to show you why meal prep is the key to success. It saves time, money, and your sanity. Imagine opening the fridge to organized meals instead of a lonely, expired yogurt. Bliss! Begin with the basics. Cook once, eat all week. Just remember, even the fanciest Tupperware won't save you if you forget the salt. A little humor keeps the kitchen chaos at bay. Choose healthy ingredients by sticking to the outer aisles of the grocery store. That's where the fresh stuff lives, like a produce party, minus the confetti. Your body will thank you. I recommend to never skip the seasonings and sauces when prepping your meals. You want a meal you could look forward to, and flavor is the best way for that. So don't be shy on the seasoning. Planning meals efficiently can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, but it doesn't have to be. Start by choosing themes for each day, like Taco Tuesday or Stir Fry Saturday. Imagine portion sizes as Goldilocks in the kitchen, kneading them just right. Use your hand as a guide. Fist for carbs, palm for protein, and thumb for fats. Picture a chaotic kitchen with mismatched lids everywhere. Avoid this by organizing your grocery list by sections: produce, protein, and pantry. You'll shop faster than a cheetah in a grocery aisle. To keep your meals fresh, think of your fridge as a game of Tetris. Stack containers with space for airflow, and you'll avoid the dreaded wilted lettuce or soggy noodles. Ever open your fridge and feel like it's a game of Tetris? That's food storage for you. Label and stack meals properly to avoid the dreaded avalanche of leftovers. Just a quick reminder, liking and subscribing allows me to keep making amazing videos like this. Your support means the world and helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. Have you ever heard about the carrot who got arrested? It was caught peeling out. Keep your veggies fresh by storing them in airtight containers to maximize their shelf life. Want to save time? Pretend you're a ninja slicing through veggies with surgical precision. It's a great workout and a time saver, but watch those fingers. Packing meals can be an art. Channel your inner Picasso to create vibrant, eye-catching lunchboxes. Use colorful ingredients to make your meals as delightful to look at as they are to eat. Why did the salad bring a suitcase? It was dressing for success. Packing meals creatively can be just as fun. Mix colors, shapes, and flavors to keep lunch exciting and Instagram-worthy. In summary, remember, plan smart, portion wisely, and keep it fresh. Don't worry if you stumble. Even the best chefs occasionally burn toast. Laughter is the best seasoning for any meal. Get your aprons on and dive into the world of meal prepping. Share your culinary triumphs and mishaps with us. Your story might just inspire someone to start their own journey. Thanks for joining us on this delicious adventure. Remember, the only thing you should take seriously in the kitchen is safety. Everything else is just food for thought and laughter. Stick around for more tasty tips and tricks. Click to subscribe and explore our other videos, where we promise more laughs, more learning, and a whole lot of deliciousness.